Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. German, can you solve this Mathematical Olympiad question of a plus 6 to the power 4 plus a plus 4 to the power 4 equal to 82. The condition you have right here is only that a is element of real number. Let's provide solution. And of course, first thing here is to copy a plus 6, then plus a plus 4, which is power raised to the power 4 from here up to here, which is equal to 82. And remember that here I'm going to use my own formula, and maybe you have your own formula. You have to show us in the comment section. And here we have to, the first trick here is we have to find the interrelationship between two formulas. First thing here, we have 6, which is equal to 5 plus 1. And we have 4, which equals to 5 minus 1. We're going to substitute this value of 6 and 4 in above equation we have given to get what? Here we have given a, which is equal to a plus 5 plus 1 power 4 plus, and here which is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 power 4, which is equal to 82. Right here. Now, if you see nicely, we have a plus 5 and here have a plus 5. At this stage, we can write t equal to a plus 5. Note that. And we're going to replace to get t plus 1 power 4 plus t minus 1 power 4, that is 82. Right at this stage, we have that one. Now, here we can say that this can be written as t plus 1 squared, then squared again, plus t minus 1 squared, then squared again, which is equal to 82. By expanding this one, t plus 1 can be equal to t squared plus 1 plus 2t, then plus t squared plus 1, then here minus 2t, which is equal to, but here I have squared and here I have squared, which is equal to 82. At this stage we have t squared plus 1 and here I have t squared plus 1. We can rate again, rate m be equal to t squared plus 1. Then n be this one 2t. We have 2t. And in this formula we shall say m, then minus, here we have plus n squared plus m right here minus n squared is equal to 82. By expanding, we shall say right here m squared plus n squared plus 2mn plus m squared plus n squared minus 2mn equals to 82. This and this we shall say 2m squared, this and this plus 2n squared, this and this will be cancelled to get 82. By factorizing 2, m squared plus n squared will be 82, and of course m squared plus n squared will be 41. And here at this stage, remember that m only is equal to t squared plus 1 and n is equal to 2t. We can replace them in above equation we have right here to get t squared, right, then plus 1 squared plus this one here, 2t squared is equals to 41. Right, at this stage, what can we do? We have t squared, of course, as this, then squared plus 2 times t squared, right, 2ab, yeah, then plus 1 plus 2, that is 4t squared, which is equal to 41. And this will be t power 4 plus 2t squared plus 1 plus 4t squared, which is equal to 41. T power 4, and of course you have 2t squared and 4t squared plus 6t squared plus 1 will be 41. Then at this stage we can write again z equal to t squared at this stage. Then here we shall get z squared, then plus 6z, and then plus 1 is equal to 41. What we have z squared, right, then plus 6z minus 40 will be 0. Then here, that is, which number can we multiply to get negative 40? Then when we add them, we shall get positive 6. Yeah, that is z plus 6. We have plus 10 z, then plus 4 z. If you take 10, this is minus 10 times 4, this is negative 40. Then when you add them, you get positive 6. Then minus 40 equals to 0. Sorry, here I have squared. Then by factorizing, get z plus 10, and then by factorizing negative 4 to get z plus 10, which is equal to 0. Get z minus 4 and times z plus 10 will be 0. We get z which is equal to 4, or z which is equal to negative 10. And then here at this stage, this 10 will be rejected, and we still remain with z which is equal to 4. Right, then remember that here recall I've seen that t squared is equal to z, then t squared is equal to, this z is equal to 4, then t is equal to positive or negative square root of 4, then t is equal to positive or negative 2. And here I have to remember that at this stage, remember what we have seen, that a plus 5 is equal to t. So what we have that a plus 5 is equal to 2, or a plus 5 is equal to negative 2. Then a right here will be 2 minus 5. A will be negative 3 at this stage, or a will be negative 2 minus 5. A will be negative 7. Now here I have to check if the answer is correct, because I have given a plus 6 power 4, then plus a minus 4 we have right here, that is plus 4, then power 4, which is equal to 82. That is negative 3 plus 6, that is 3 power 4, plus 1 power 4, which is equal to 82, that is 81 plus 1, which is equal to 82. To mean that this is correct. And of course here, if you replace negative 7 plus 6, that is negative 1 power 4, plus, that is here negative 7 plus 4, that is here, that is negative 3, okay, power 4, which is equal to 82. And this is 1 plus 81, which is equal to 82. And this value will be fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.